Hi everyone, this is Sriraj. I'm here with a new video series for HTML CSS beginners. So in this series I will be teaching the basics about HTML and CSS so you can quickly get started with your web designing. We should have a strong base about HTML and CSS for our front-end development. So if you wish to become a front-end developer, this is very important to know the basics about HTML and CSS. So you learn these basic things very thoroughly so you can become a successful front-end developer. You can code later on with React, Vue or whatever you like. Okay, come let's start building our first project. So here I have a folder HTML and CSS for beginners. So I'll be creating the projects inside this. So initially, this is the first class. So in this class we will be learning some basics about HTML and CSS. I'll be using the Sublime code editor. So this is a Sublime text. This is a code editor. I will be using this code editor for coding. You can use Sublime or VS Code or whatever code editor you prefer. So here I'm creating the project folder first. So I'll be creating the folder. So this is our chapter 1. So I'll be naming the project as chapter 1. Okay, so I have created the folder. So inside this folder I will be creating the files. So I have opened my Sublime editor here. I'm creating a new file and I'll be saving this file as, so my folder is HTML CSS beginners chapter 1. Here is a project folder, selecting the project folder, and we need an index file for our HTML, index.html. So we need an index.html file and a style.css file in the beginning. So here is my index.html. I am saving to our chapter 1 folder. I'm just saving here. So also another file I need is the CSS. I'm creating a new file and I'm saving it as style.css. So in this CSS file we will be writing the styles, and in the HTML file we will be writing the HTML contents. We can begin with the HTML tag. So here is HTML tag. If I type in, it will automatically generate the code. If I clear, this is the tag opening HTML, so it will be giving a suggestion. If I click that, it will automatically generate HTML code. This contains HTML tag, head tag and a body tag. Okay, so for now I am typing it down for you. So we'll be creating a HTML tag open and HTML tag close. Okay, so this is the main tag in the index.html. We are inside the index.html file here. So inside the HTML tag we need two tags. One is the head tag and body tag. So here we have a head tag and I will be closing the head tag. Another tag is the body tag. So I'll tell you what we will be writing inside this. Okay, we have the head tag as well as the body tag. So this is the parent. HTML is the parent tag. Inside that parent we have two children. I am selecting this and clicking tab button so I can move a little bit inside. So this is the parent HTML tag and we have two children for this parent, head and body. So head will be having the site title and some basic file links like the CSS file we can link inside the body. Here we have a style.css. I will be linking that inside the head tag, and also the contents will be written inside the body. So I am linking the CSS file here. For that I will write the link rel style sheet type text or CSS and href. Inside the href we need to give the link for the file. So since we are in the same folder, so you can see the file is in the same folder, so we will be giving just a file name style.css. So this is how we link the file. So we will be testing that. So here I am writing a hello world text, sample text. Okay, so we have a HTML tag as a parent, we have a head tag as child 1, child 2 is the body tag. So inside the head we have another child. So inside the head tag we have the link, so linking the CSS file, and here we have the head and parent is HTML. Okay, Now I am hitting control save, or you can say file save. Control save, I am using control S, I am using for saving. Here also nothing is written, no problem. Okay, now I need to open this index file. I can right click properties. Here I have Google Chrome. If you don't have, change it to Google Chrome, so it will be applied, and once I double click, it will be opening in the browser. So now in the Chrome browser my hello world has come. So what we have done, we have an index.html and we have a style.css. We have linked the file. I'll keep this here, and you can see here we have two files, index.html file and style.css file. Okay, that is the index.html and style.css. So I have linked the CSS file to the head, and I have given the hello world in the body. These things I am just mentioning in the initial video only, so in future I will not be repeating these things. So this is just for the beginners who doesn't know how to link a CSS file. So now let's test whether this file is properly linked. So for that I am just adding a global style. For that I am giving star and bracket opening. I am giving color as red. Okay, so star will be applied for all tags. So here body tag we have, and inside there is no other tag, so star will be applied to everything. Or we can give, instead of star we can give body. So I am giving red color for the body. I'm coming here and refreshing. You can see the text has changed to red color. So in the style we have given, for the body tag we have given color as red. So this is how we verify our CSS file is linked properly. So if you want to give some background color, you can give. I'll give background I'll give as sky blue. Okay, and just refresh. You can see the background of body is changed to sky blue. Our text is in red color. Okay, color, this refer to the text color. Background is given for the wall background. So let's review what all things we did in the first chapter. So in the first chapter we just learned creating a project and creating our HTML and CSS file and linking the CSS file, style CSS file, to the HTML. So initially we created a folder called chapter 1. This is our project folder. Inside that I created two files, index.html and style.css. So here you can't see the extension, but you can see type as HTML document and cascading style sheet. Okay, so inside the index HTML we opened a HTML tag, and HTML tag is the parent. It's a root node, or it's a parent. So it has two children, head and body. So HTML parent has two child, head and body. Inside the head we can give site title. So here currently we don't have a title. It's showing index.html as the file name. I will change that as, we will give a title here. Okay, so HTML CSS for beginners, and if I refresh this page, you can see this title has changed. If I keep my mouse here, you can see HTML CSS for beginners. So this is how it works. We have given a title for our site. So the head tag, inside the head tag we give title HTML CSS for beginners. Also we have given a link tag. Link tag is for linking this CSS file. We are connecting our style.css to the index.html, so that we can style everything, all the contents inside the body. The body will have all the contents, heading, paragraph, different contents. Currently we have only a hello world symbol text, and we applied a style for this body tag. So body tag we applied like the here. You can see inside the style.css we have body, we have curly brackets opened. Inside that we have written color, we are given as red, and background we have given as sky blue. Okay, you can see background sky blue and color as red. Okay, so that's all guys in this video. Hope you enjoyed it. So we learned how to create HTML file, how to create a style.css for styling, and how to link this style.css file to our HTML. And we are using Sublime editor. So we will be having more chapters in this video series. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do like, share and subscribe.